so funny. Oh my gosh. I can't even smile. This is not a good idea. Oh, oh, oh. This one really hurts.
Hey guys, it's Rebekah Badal and welcome back to my channel. So, I decided to do a DIY face mask based off of two videos that I saw on the internet. Yes, I am one of those people that was up till 2 a.m. watching YouTube videos. So, without further ado, let's just get into the video. Shortest intro ever.
Okay, so I can barely talk right now because this is so tight. There are air bubbles like right here. I look so funny. Oh my gosh. I can't even smile. I look so I can't believe I'm doing this for the internet. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna start at the chin because this piece is already coming off. Oh! That wasn't bad at all. Okay. Oh, okay, now it's starting to hurt. Oh gosh. Well, it certainly removes facial hair. Kind of see the whiteheads a little bit. This is not a good idea. Oh, oh, oh. This one really hurts. Oh. That hurts. Oh gosh. Oh, that really hurts. Peeling around here hurts so bad. That's really nasty. You can see the big white head right there. Oh, that part wasn't all the way dry. Oh, that hurts. Oh, my eye is watering. That hurts so bad. Do you see that? It's so funny. Oh, that was a big chunk.
I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me put myself through pain. No! My light went off! Let me show you. Look, look, look. California. I am a brand ambassador. This was not a sponsored video. They have hats, they have t-shirts, they have sweatshirts, they have all kinds of stuff for you guys. If you guys like this, you can look in the description box below. I have a code for you guys. You guys can get 20% off of your purchase. So check it out, because this is really cool. They have ones with like bigger logos, but totally check them out. That is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.